Apart from my services and digital products, I also do a little bit of affiliate marketing, and I've been doing this for several years now. On the screen, you're looking at all of the blog posts that I have ever written. What I do with these is that I tend to take each of them, and share them on social media. And that is number one strategy, where you actually take each title with its corresponding link and post it on social media as if it was an article. You write in context about something, about that particular post that we've written on, whatever topic that was on, and then you leave links in a comment below. For affiliate marketing, it's important that people click and then go to your website or your blog post, for example. So in that case, what you do is you end up creating a piece of content, and then you add a link. It could be a direct affiliate link, or it could be a link pointing to your blog post. That's where people go, read up, click on any of the affiliate links over there, and that's when they make a purchase. A few examples are here as shown. Now, here's a post that I have written for my blog. Most of the affiliate management software for businesses are affiliate links. For example, Tapfiliate is an affiliate link. PartnerStack is one more. Shopify is another one. ShareASale is one more. And most of these others are not affiliate links. So you have 4 affiliate links out of maybe 5, 6 or 10 links out here. When you keep publishing again and again regularly with a set cadence of frequency, is that they tend to trust you, they tend to like you, they tend to learn more from you, and that's how you start growing your affiliate marketing business. Or even if you were to insert your services and products later on, you could do that as well, because there are several other blog posts, right? And each of these will have 1 or 2 affiliate links depending on what I write about. In case of this particular article where I'm saying best video tools, you do have a lot of information about video tools and why they are the best for you and why you should be consider them as a small business owner or as a marketer. But you also have these affiliate links showing up right here on the screen. So all of these blog posts will also help you get found on search. This is an email from Google Search Console, and you can see that there have been a few clicks, there have been a few impressions, and there have been a few pages that actually occupy the top impressions on Google for that relevant keyword. It's also showing what are the top growing pages and top performing pages right here. So this is all about blog. It requires a little bit of tweaking. It requires a little bit of strategically adding affiliate links inside those blog posts, adding calls to action, making people sign up for an email marketing list. On social as well, there are certain ways you can go about it instead of actually hurting yourself by directly sharing links. What you could do, for example, on X, is that you create a thread on X, and this is how it will look like. A post after post will come in with visuals, with videos, with visual elements here. If you could visualize it, I could actually add a link right here pointing to what that particular specific post was about. So let's assume that we were discussing a 10 best products that you should be considering. We could create a thread on it, or we could repurpose that particular thread from an original blog post of this sort, add links over there for people to take a look at. Or you could directly create content for X, a single post. The way this is, Divi, I'm also an affiliate of, and please note how I've written about Divi, and here is an affiliate link that I just dropped. And I do something very similar with my LinkedIn company brand page as well. So here's an entire post about Woo, which is WooCommerce, and I have actually written an entire post which is value added by itself, also tagging people along as I write and adding hashtags if they are relevant. Add a link here which is actually an affiliate link for Razorpay. You could do that. Now, while creating videos, as I'm shooting this video, you could also create videos and have people sign up with a specific link as shown on the screen now, which is a way to make sure that your videos work for you as well. If you're using this on YouTube, you can also add links in the description. If this were a standalone video on your website or within your blog post, you could still add videos there and video links there, having people go and sign up for whatever it is that you were talking about. All of this content is specifically created to start creating trust, build a community, and those people over a period of time start liking what you're writing. They'll learn from you, and eventually they'll start getting into a habit of clicking on links that you have, because your post itself is a value add post. It's not something scammy where you're just writing something and adding a link over there. As for the affiliate network, there are really several of them. Some of them are impact.com, where you could join as an affiliate and start picking up the exact specific products that relate to your niche. Or you could go into ShareASale and do the same as well. Or you could also go into Commission Factory and sign up with them. This is all on top of Amazon, of course. So this is what I thought I should talk to you about. So no matter which field you are in, you would create a database of this sort where you are already partnered with a few partners and you have their specific links that you can actually use within your content for ads or on social and so on. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profit.